Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best type of silver to stack. Now since I started making videos here on YouTube, I've had a number of people reach out and ask me if I had to pick one type of silver to stack, what would that silver be? Now in today's video, we're going to be answering that question. Now the answer to that question is quite complicated. I think most people, when they ask me that question, they want me to give a straightforward answer. They want me to say the best type of silver to stack is Britannias, or the best type of silver to stack is 10-ounce bars, or the best type of silver to stack is constitutional silver. I think they want me to give them one particular type of silver that they should go out and continue to buy. Now, that's not the case. When it comes to stacking silver, and not just stacking silver, but stacking gold, any precious metal, you've always got to have a look at the spot price of that metal to be able to determine whether the type of silver you're going to be purchasing is a good investment. Now, anything I say in today's video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I've learned along the way. But you've got to look at the actual spot price of the metal. Now the spot price of silver is the base price that this costs to mine. So it's the intrinsic value of the metal. So if we're having a look at today's spot price, let's just say today's spot price is £26 an ounce. That is how much the actual intrinsic value of the silver that is inside this coin is worth. Now, when you're purchasing coins or bars or whatever it may be, there's a premium added to that spot price. Now, the premium that's added is what it takes to actually produce one of these, because although this is made from silver, there's a lot of production costs that go into this. There's a lot of advertisement costs that go to sell this. There's packaging costs. There's all these different costs that are included when you pick up a silver coin or a silver bar. So in order to be able to work out what the best type of silver to stack is you have to look at the percentage increase from the spot price to the premium. Now the aim of the game when you're stacking precious metals, and this is talking about investing in precious metals, not collecting, because collecting is a whole different subject. If you're collecting precious metals, you're not so much caring about the actual premium over the spot price of the silver. You're more looking at the rarities and the mintage figures and the desirability and all the rest of it. But if we're going back to looking at the best type of silver to stack as an investment, then you want to buy silver that is as close to that spot price as possible. Now, us in the UK, it is very tricky to buy silver from a bullion dealer in the UK and get it close to spot. And that is because in the UK, we have a 20% VAT on our silver. So if we was to go to a main bullion dealer or main bullion dealer website, for example, and buy a brand new silver Britannia, straight away, you're going to end up paying 20% VAT on this piece over the top of the premium. So not only have you got the spot price of the actual metal, you've got the premium that's added, like I said, for production costs and all the rest of it. Then you also have another 20% added on just for the VAT. So over here in the UK, it's extremely tricky to pick up silver close to spot. Now, how we get around that, and I did touch upon this in a video that I released yesterday, is the way to get around that here in the UK is you have to go to the second-hand market. So you have to take that extra level of risk. You have to go to places like eBay. You have to go to places like Facebook Marketplace. You have to go to different Facebook groups. You have to go to the Silver Forum. All these different places where you can pick up secondhand silver. You have to take that risk because it's a peer-to-peer buying platform. You're buying straight from a person instead of buying straight from a main bullion dealer. So that is the risk we have to take here in the UK to be able to get our silver for as close to spot as possible. Now, if you live in the USA, you don't have to take all of these risks. You don't have to go to the second-hand market to buy your silver. And that is because if you live in the US, you don't get a 20% VAT added when you buy silver brand new from a main bullion dealer. So So over in the US, you straight away avoid those risks by doing peer-to-peer buy-in, and you can go straight to a main bullion dealer and pick up your silver for extremely close to spot. Now, full disclosure, this video is a paid promotion from a bullion dealer based in the US. This company reached out to me and asked whether I would be interested in promoting their company and their website. And before saying yes, I did a little bit of digging, and it's a little bit of a hidden gem because I reached out, and in my research and my digging into this company, I went over onto Stackers Social and I put a message on there asking if anyone had heard about this company. Now, I got two types of answers back. The first type of answer was from people that had heard about the company, and they said that they got a very good deal, it arrived extremely quickly, and they were very pleased with the service. And the second kind of answer I got on Stackers Social from people that lived in the US was they'd never even heard of this bullion website before. So I found it really interesting that this company had reached out and asked me to do a promotional video on their website. And there's people actually in the US that haven't even heard about this website. And like I said, those that have had really, really positive experiences. So I agreed to do the promotion after doing my research into the company. I had a little play around on their website and it was extremely easy to use. And we're actually going to show you a screen record now. I'm actually doing this as we speak on my phone. You can see I've just turned on screen record, and I'm going to put it on the screen so it's easier for you to see. But this is the website. This is Bold Precious Metals. And for those of you that live in the US, please let me know in the comment section of today's video, have you heard of this website, or are you one of the many people that I've spoken to that live in the US and this is the first time you're hearing of this website? I'll be really interested to hear. But if we go on this website and we have a little look, you can see straight away on the front page there, it tells you there's a Father's Day sale. Now, if we click into the Father's Day sale and have a little look, it doesn't take long at all to find some really, really close to spot deals. If we have a look at this 1 ounce Texas silver round, for example, you can see that this is actually 55 cents over spot, which is absolutely insane. For those of you that are from the UK and you're watching this video, you'll know how impossible it is to pick up silver that close to spot here in the UK. So straight away, if you live in the US, you have a real advantage when it comes to stacking silver. You don't have to go, like I said, to the second-hand markets. You can go straight to a main bullion dealer, such as Bold Precious Metals, and you can buy your silver straight from the website. And to be able to pick up silver that's only 55 cents over spot is absolutely incredible. You can see this particular round, there's only 374 left. So I'm guessing they're going to sell out fairly quickly, especially after I release this video, and those of you head over and grab some, because you can see it used to be $1.05 and they've like halved that for this special promotional deal. So extremely close to spot. And if we have a little quick look at the round, you can see it's got a really nice design on the round. If we look at the other side, you've got the eagle on there, you've got a star. And let's face it, it doesn't really matter what the hell is on that coin, because it is that close to spot that if you was to even buy this and wait for a couple of years, as long as the silver price continues to rise like it has done over the course of the last few years, you would already be able to sell this for a very nice profit. For those of you that have been messaging me, asking me where to get this 10 ounce bar from, I've had many people reach out after watching my last video on this bar, asking where to pick up this bar from. If you live in the US, they actually have this bar on Bold Precious Metals website currently. And again, I'm just doing the screen record here right now, so this is actually live when I'm filming the video. But you can see they've actually got this on there for $2.25 over spot. So incredibly low premium. You can see they actually have a trending market price on here as well, which I think is really cool and not something I've seen on another website before, where it shows you the average market price for this bar if you was to go to any of the other bullion dealers, and it tells you the bold price here, which is $389.50, and it says that you're saving $20. So not only are you saving $20 over purchasing this bar from another bullion dealer, you're also picking it up for extremely close to spot. So that is today's video. Let me know in the comment section. I'd be really interested to hear from those of you that are from the US, because the majority of my viewers are actually from the US. Although I'm from the UK, the majority of the people that watch my videos are from the US. So I'll be really interested to hear, if you do live in the US, have you heard of Bold Precious Metals? And if you have, what is your experience with buying from them? Because like I said, the people that had heard about them said it's been a really, really positive experience. Now, they have actually given me a link. I don't get any kickback from this link. It's not like a referral code or anything like that, but they have actually given me a link to be able to track how many people click on the link after watching this video and go and have a little look. So please consider going into today's video description, clicking on that link, heading over, having a little look around on their website. Even if you don't live in the US, it's still a great website to have a little play around with and see what other bars and coins are on offer. And if you're happy with picking up rounds, and like I said at the beginning of today's video, when you're stacking for an investment purpose only, you want to try and find silver that is as close to spot as possible. So those rounds that we just looked at that are only 55 cents over spot, that's the type of silver that you need to be picking up and stacking. Because when you go to sell your silver to a local coin shop or back to a bullion dealer, they're going to be offering you spot or even slightly under sometimes. So it's very, very important to get as close to spot as possible in the first place, so that when you do eventually sell in the future, you're making a maximum return on your investment. So thanks very much for watching. Massive shout out to Bold Precious Metals for reaching out and sponsoring today's video. For those of you that watch my channel, you'll know that I don't often take sponsorships. So for me to accept a sponsorship and be confident that I'm shouting out a company that is actually truly going to benefit my subscribers and the viewers of my channel, just goes to show that I've done my research into this company and I'm very happy with what they have to offer. So thanks very much, like I said, Bold Precious Metals for sponsoring. Thanks very much to everyone that's watched today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to go and grab one of these bars. I'm guessing a few people are, because there's been a number of people that have asked me where I got that bar from. But as always, I hope you have a very nice day.